Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Much welcome to today's launching event recording session. I'm your host, Elf. This recording session requires silence, so kindly switch your mobile phone and electronic devices to silent mode, please. Thank you very much. This recording session is initiated by Powerband Long and Civic E-cigarette industry cluster, providing a platform for Chinese e-cigarette companies to promote their brand and new product more efficiently overseas. The goal is to open channels for communication, allowing international customers to stay updated to China's e-cigarette supply chain and the latest product development. Through the third-party media, we aim to continuously highlight industry updates. This recording of the launch event will be promoted via Civic's social media overseas platform and international e-cigarette websites. Thank you very much again for the 10 brilliant companies with your awesome brand in participating in today's launching event recording session. Now, each brand has 10 minutes for a presentation, followed by 5 minutes of question and answer.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sophia from INNOKIN. At first, I want to ask you one question. Who knows INNOKIN? Who knows INNOKIN means? Yeah?
INNOKIN plus innovation is key.
Yeah, that's right. INNOKIN which means innovation king, that told everyone customer we not only want to have a very good design in the product, but also we want to help every customer to quit smoking. So that's why everyone called us as INNOKIN. INNOKIN was formed 2011 years, and I think maybe a lot of Europe friends knows INNOKIN because you can see every shop they have all INNOKIN products. And so in the 12 years, we have the first top one product, MVP. So maybe I don't know in there have many people who know this one product, because this is formed in 2011. In this year, I'm a little girl. So in the 2014, and we have the Cool series of products, and Endura and Zenith. Zenith coil is very popular in the Europe market. So for the now INNOKIN is always based on the open system product, because we always follow top selling. We want to help friends to quit smoking. And today I want to show you a series of products about our China. At first, who knows 3-in-1? Maybe we can call it A, B, and C. Yeah, A stands for autometer, and B is the battery. C is very easy. It means control panel. So there is all China. First one product, China. So you can see this battery is rechargeable and is replaceable. So when some customer when they use this product, always they have some question. Wow, the battery is used too fast. So which one can suppose? If customer have this question, don't worry, just use China series of products, because the battery is rechargeable. And this one has some little screen. You can adjust the power key, and you can see the watch. And I know they have some some customer, they just want to use an easy product. So we have the Tran SE. It's very easy product. You can see Tran SE is also used the rechargeable battery. But the difference with the Tran SE don't have a screen because some customers they just want to make easy waiting life. So we have the Tran SE. I don't know, you have some customers that only talk about one thing, the price, right? Some customers just see, oh Sophia, can you give me a good price? You know, INNOKIN is not a want to discount price. So, but for the marketing, every company, they just discount the price. I have a good price. I have a good price for you. So for the INNOKIN, we want to take care of all of the customer. So we have the Endura V. This product is used very easy. And for the three product is always compatible the VCAP port. So for the VCAP port we have the 0.6, 0.8 and 1.2 coil. We have the three coils for the customer. We can choose it. And the last I want to say, INNOKIN just want to make an easy waiting life. So if customer want to have a good waiting experience, just can call me. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia from INNOKIN.
Thank you very much for the very interesting presentation. China has great teams, and overseas has great market. Now both sides have wonderful potentials. Now if we think of getting a bigger slice of the cake, then we are doing a much harder work in your innovation, in your R&D, in your marketing, in your branding. Now, regardless of the fact of the quality of the presentation, I would like to say each one of you here today has devoted yourself into the industry thoroughly. And this is something very, very respectful. And on behalf of Civics and powered by Blanc, together we show our great appreciation for your dedication. Thank you very much.